Hey, what's up, y'all? Quick little introduction to this video, or it might not make sense if I don't. I just recently found this YouTube channel about this bridge in Durham, North Carolina. It's called like 11-8 or something. I'm not exactly sure. I put the name of the YouTube channel down in the description, though. But somebody's been posting footage, I guess, from like the city or whatever. I don't know. It's like one of those cameras that's just out, pointed, like catching traffic. And somebody's been posting for a few years now, trucks trying to cross under this bridge that's way too low, and they're getting shredded as they go under it. I guess they've recently raised it up about 8 inches, but trucks are still hitting it. But I thought I would do like a montage of like my favorite ones and put some music to it. I did this mostly for myself because I just wanted to see what it would sound like to this song, and I liked it so much that I thought I would share it with y'all. Anyways, like I said, check out their channel. It's in the description, and I hope you guys enjoyed.
Roll on highway, roll on along, roll on daddy till you get back home. Roll on family, roll on through, roll on mama like I asked you to do. Roll on 18-wheeler, roll on. Well, it's Monday morning, he's kissing mama goodbye. He's up and gone, son. Daddy drives an 18-wheeler, and he's off on a Midwest run. Three sad faces gather round mama. They ask her when daddy's coming home. Daddy drives an 18-wheeler, and they sure miss him when he's gone. Ah, but he calls them every night and tells them that he loves them. He taught them this song to sing. Roll on highway, roll on along, roll on daddy till you get back home. Roll on family, roll on crew, roll on mama like I asked you to do. And roll on 18-wheeler, roll on, roll on. Well, it's Wednesday evening, mama's waiting by the phone. It rings, but it's not his voice. It seems the highway patrol has found a jackknifed rig in a snowbank in Illinois. But the driver was missing, and the search had been abandoned, 'cause the weather had everything stalled. They had checked all the houses and the local motels. When they had some more news, they called. And she told